Hello everyone, welcome back to RareChem Official. Today we are going to discuss last parameter of the bond parameters, that is bond order. Bond order indicates the number of bonds between two atoms in a molecule. Greater the bond order is the greater the strength of the bond. With increase in bond order, bond enthalpy increase, bond length decreases. Here bond order directly proportional to bond enthalpy, inversely proportional with bond length. Here in between two hydrogen atoms the single bond is present, that is equals to bond order. The bond order is 1. In between two nitrogen atoms the triple bond is present, the bond order is equals to 3. If molecule has resonating structures, if take CO3 2 minus ion, it has 3 resonating structures. The bond order is equals to number of bonds divided by number of resonating structures equals to 1.33. Means here the bond order is 1. The bond between two atoms is single bond. Whenever the bond order is 2, the in between two atoms a double bond is present. If got the bond order is 1.33, how much the bond is between what? Means like 1.33 means like that we can't draw, right? It means 1.33 times greater than if CO3 2 minus has single bond, means it would be single bond. It has 1.33 times greater than single bond, not 1.33 bond. So if bond order is, if comes 1, the bond between two atoms is single bond. If bond order is 2, that means double bond is present. If got 1.5 1.33 like that in decimals, it means 1.33 times greater than single bond if would be single bond is present in a molecule. Thank you for watching.